This how to 1 minute gonna show you how to give your cPanel access to someone. To give your cPanel access to someone, you have to create a new user account in your cPanel, and here's how to do it. First of all, go to your cPanel and then scroll down, and under preferences you will find user manager, or you can use the search toolbox to find out user manager. Just tap on that, and now here you will find all of your cPanel user accounts. To create a new account, just click on add user, and now in this full name box type the user full name, and here write a username for your account, and you can select a domain in which domain cPanel you want to create the account. And in this contact email address box, you have to type the account email address, and under security information you will find two different options. The user will set the account password. The system will send an email with instructions to the user contact email address to create a password, or you can select set the user password. In this case, you have to write here a strong password for the user. Confirm the password here, and now under services you can allow any service for the user account. For example, I want to give email service to the user, so here's I'm adding the size for the email, and now just click on create. Now just click on create, and here as you can see I've successfully added a new user for my cPanel. So this is how we can give someone cPanel access. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.